हाय एवरीवन एई वीडियो रे आज आमे 100टी इंग्लिश पेडागोजी रो एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन करिबा जेउंतरे कि कवर करिबा टीचिंग इंग्लिश लर्निंग इंग्लिश विथ रेफरेंस टू लैंग्वेज स्किल एंड सब स्किल लो वीडियो टी संपूर्ण भाव देखिबे यार पीडीएफ टी को डाउनलोड करिया पई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि सेठी जाई जॉइन होई डाउनलोड करि परिबे। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लो आरंभ करिबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 The primary object of teaching English at the school level is to develop which skill first? The right answer is option number A, listening. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a language skill? The right answer is option number C, translation. Question number 3. The object of teaching pronunciation in English is to improve. The right answer is option number B, speaking fluency. Question number 4. Reading for pleasure mainly develops. The right answer is option number B, extensive reading. Question number 5. Which sub-skill of listening involve identifying the main idea of spoken text? The right answer is option number C, listening for gist. Question number 6. Communicative approach in teaching English focus on. The right answer is option number C, using language in real situation. Question number 7. Which skill is considered the foundation of language learning? The right answer is option number C, listening. Question number 8. In language teaching, LSRW refers to. The right answer is option number B, listening, speaking, reading, writing. Question number 9. Which is an objective of teaching writing in English? The right answer is option number A, to write grammatical correct sentence. Question number 10. Which skill does role play mainly develop? The right answer is option number B, speaking. Question number 11. Skimming is a reading soft skill used for. The correct answer option number B, understanding the main idea. Question number 12. Which of the following is a receptive skill? The correct answer is option B, reading. Question number 13. Silent reading improve. The correct answer is option number A, reading speed and comprehension. Question number 14. Speaking skill mainly focus on. The correct answer is option number A, expressing idea. Question number 15. Which objective of teaching English focus on real life communication? The correct answer is option number B, communicative approach. Question number 16. Which soft skill of writing is required for preparing an outline before an essay? The correct answer is option number A, organizing idea. Question number 17. Which skill is both receptive and productive? The correct answer is option number D, vocabulary. Question number 18. Which method emphasizes learning through use and practice? The correct answer is option number D, audio-lingual method. Question number 19. Which objective is directly related to vocabulary enhancement? The correct answer is option number A, reading story. Question number 20. Which of the following is a productive skill in language learning? The correct answer is option number C, speaking. Question number 21. Which skill is primarily tested through dictation exercise? The correct answer is option number A, listening. Question number 22. Intensive reading mainly help in. The correct answer is option number B, understanding detail. Question number 23. Which is not a soft skill of speaking? The correct answer is option number D, silent reading. Question number 24. Listening for specific information is also called. The correct answer is option number C, selective listening. Question number 25. Which activity is best for developing reading comprehension? The correct answer is option or B, answering questions. Question number 28. Question number 26. In language teaching, fluency refers to. The correct answer is option number A, speaking without hesitation. Question number 27. Which is the first stage of listening comprehension? The correct answer is option or B, hearing sound. Question number 28. An objective of teaching grammar in English. The correct answer is option or B, to use correct language in context. Question number 29. Which sub-skill of reading is used when finding a phone number in a directory? The correct answer is option number B, scanning. Question number 30. Which of these is an objective of teaching listening? The correct answer is option number A, to recognize sound and word. Question number 31. Which of these is not a productive skill? The correct answer is option number C, listening. Question number 32. Note taking while listening helps in. The right answer is option number B, understanding and remembering information. Question number 33. Which activity is best for developing speaking skill? The right answer is option number C, copywriting. Question number 34. Which skill combination is required for summarizing a passage? The correct answer is option number A, reading and writing. Question number 35. Which is a higher ordered skill of language learning? The correct answer is option number C, creative writing. Question number 36. Which skill is enhanced by storytelling activity? The correct answer is option number A, listening and speaking. Question number 37. Which of the following is a micro skill or writing? The correct answer is option number A, organizing idea. Question number 38. Which skill does scanning mainly develop? The correct answer is option number A, hiding specific information. Question number 39. Which skill is necessary for note making from a lecture? The right answer is option number A, listening and writing. Question number 40. Which objective of teaching English aim at cultural enrichment? The correct answer is option number B, teaching. Question number 41. Which sub-skill of listening help in understanding the spoken intonation? The correct answer is option number C, listening for information. Question number 42. Which of the following help improve speaking fluency? The right answer is role play and conversation practice. Question number 43. Which of the which is the main objective of teaching reading? The correct answer is option number A, to develop comprehension. Question number 44. Which activity improve both vocabulary and grammar? The correct answer is option number A, reading extensively. Question number 45. Which sub-skill of speaking involve correct stress and intonation? The correct answer is option number B, pronunciation. Question number 46. Which reading sub-skill is needed to quickly find date in a history test? The correct answer is option number D, silent reading. Question number 47. Which method emphasizes teaching through meaningful context rather than translation? The correct answer is option number B, direct method. Question number 48. Which of these a receptive skill in writing process? The right answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 49. Which sub-skill of listening is used to anticipate content while listening? The right answer is option number A, predicating. Question number 50. Which activity develop writing coherence? The correct answer is option number A, organizing idea before writing. Question number 51. Which of the following help improve pronunciation? The correct answer is option number A, listening and repeating. Question number 52. Which skill is necessary for summarizing a lecture? The correct answer is option number A, listening and writing. Question number 53. Which approach encourage using authentic materials? The correct answer is option number B, direct method. Question number 54. Which sub-skill of writing help in linking idea logically? The right answer is option number A. Question number 55. Which activity is most effective for listening skill improvement? The correct answer is option number B, listening to dialogue and conversation. Question number 56. Which is a micro skill of listening? The correct answer is option number A, identify sound. Question number 57. Which objective of teaching English focus on creative expression? The correct answer is option number A, writing story and essay. Question number 58. Which subskill of reading involve gauging meaning from context? The correct answer is option number B. Question number 59. Which activity help improve both listening and speaking? The correct answer is option number A, conversation practice. Question number 60. Which objective emphasize using language for social communication? The correct answer is option number C, teaching communicative skill. Question number 61. Which skill is most tested through group discussion? The correct answer is option number B, speaking. Question number 62. Which of the following help in developing reading speed? The correct answer is option number B, extensive reading. Question number 63. Which activity is most effective for improving vocabulary? The correct answer is option number A, reading diverse text. Question number 64. Which subskill of writing involve using connector like, however, and therefore? The correct answer is option number A. Question number 65. Which skill is improved by role play exercise? The correct answer is option number B, speaking. Question number 66. Which activity is most suitable for developing writing accuracy? The correct answer is option number B, guided writing. Question number 67. Which subskill of listening help in identifying emotion? The correct answer is option number B, listening for intonation. Question number 68. Which reading activity is usually for scanning newspaper for news? The correct answer is scanning. Question number 69. Which method focus on repetition and drill for habitat formation in language learning? The correct answer is option or B, audiolingual method. Question number 70. Which objective of teaching English promote interpersonal communication? The correct answer is option or B, teaching communicative skill. Question number 71. Which skill combination is needed for taking note from a lecture? The correct answer is option number A, listening and writing. Question number 72. Which activity is usually for developing reading comprehension? The correct answer is option number A, answering questions after reading. Question number 73. Which subskill of writing involve organizing idea logically? The correct answer is option number A, cohesion. Question number 74. Which reading skill is used to get the gist of long passage? The correct answer is option number A, skimming. Question number 75. Which skill combination is involved in storytelling activity? The correct answer is option number A, listening and speaking. Question number 76. Which objective emphasize using English for real life situation? The correct answer is option number B, communicative approach. Question number 77. Which activity develop both listening and vocabulary? The correct answer is option number A, listening to song. Question number 78. Which method focus on using language in meaningful communication? The correct answer is option number B, communicative approach. Question number 79. Which skill is most essential for summarizing a reading passage? The correct answer is option number A, reading and writing. Question number 80. Which activity is effective for enhancing creativity writing skill? The correct answer is option number A, writing story and essay. Question number 81. Which skill is crucial for effective group discussion participation? The correct answer is option number B, speaking. Question number 82. Which activity develop both listening and comprehension? The correct answer is option number A, listening to lecture. Question number 83. Which reading subskill is needed for quickly identifying specific information? The correct answer is option number B, scanning. Question number 84. Which writing activity encourages creative thinking? The correct answer is option number A, free writing. Question number 85. Which subskill of speaking is essential for giving presentation? The correct answer is option number A, fluency. Question number 86. Which activity help improve both grammar and writing? The correct answer is option number A, writing essay. Question number 87. Which skill is emphasized in the communicative approach. The correct answer is option number B, effective communication. Question number 88. Which reading activity is most suitable for exam preparation? The correct answer is option number A, intensive reading. Question number 89. Which soft skill is listening helps in understanding imply meaning? The correct answer is option number A, listening for inference. Question number 90. Which activity develop both speaking and pronunciation? The correct answer is option number A, reading aloud. Question number 91. Which skill combination is used in writing summarize? The correct answer is option number A, reading and writing. Question number 92. Which reading sub-skill help in understanding the writer's tone? The correct answer is option number A, intensive reading. Question number 93. Which activity is effective for improving both writing and vocabulary? The correct answer is option number A, writing essay. Question number 94. Which sub-skill of speaking focus on smooth flow of idea? The correct answer option number A, fluency. Question number 95. Which method emphasizes learning language through listening and speaking drills? The correct answer is option number B, audiolingual method. Question number 96. Which activity help learner anticipate content while listening? The correct answer is option number A, predicating. Question number 97. Which objective focus on using English in real life social interaction? The correct answer is option number B, teaching communicative skill. Question number 98. Which sub-skill of reading help in gauging inflammatory word? The correct answer is option number A, guessing meaning from context. Question number 99. Which activity enhance listening comprehension in authentic content? The correct answer is option number A, listening to dialogues. Question number 100. Which skill is crucial for understanding both literal and implied meaning in a text? The correct answer is option number A, reading comprehension. तो कम्प्लीटली 100 एमसीक्यू इंग्लिश पैरागोजी सरीगला तो वीडियो भल लगे वीडियो को लाइक करिवो चैनल को नथिले चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिवो यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करिया पय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि सेटु जाई जॉइन होई डाउनलोड करि परिवो।